Alright, we've sanded everything down. We've touched up what needed to be touched up on our head here and sanded it down. We did this in here, close this off in here. So, and we got it all sanded, so we're ready to start with our base paint. First thing you want to do is take a damp cloth and you want to wipe everything down. You want to get all that sawdust off of there, so you don't have that sawdust sticking when you're trying to paint it. We got the mouth here. We're going to paint this. We got our hands. We're going to paint this, and we got the back of the head here. I'm just going to use a base matte paint here. It's just an acrylic paint. You can buy it at any store that sells art supplies. So we'll paint this, and if we need to, we'll take some 220 grit sandpaper and sand down spots that might need to be sanded down. Then we'll give it a second coat, and then by then, hopefully we're ready to start painting with our color. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments you want to put in there, put it in my comment section and I'll get back with you on that. So we're going to paint all of this here, let it dry real good, and then we'll go with the second coat so you can see what we're doing. So we'll continue on, we'll get this all painted, and then we'll come back with the next step. Thanks for watching.